runaway mine trains, and hitchhiking ghosts. We're talking about Frontierland and Liberty Square in the Magic Kingdom at Disney World. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and we are making time for Frontierland and Liberty Square as we continue our Touring the Magic Kingdom series, helping you take that Disney planning to a whole nother level. Frontierland is located on the left side of the park after you pass Adventureland. Here you'll be stepping into the Old West, and this is where you'll find two of Magic Kingdom's top attractions, Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Splash Mountain is an exciting boat ride ending in a 5-story drop, and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is a roller coaster ride through a curvy canyon. Both of these attractions do have a 40-inch height restriction, and both are currently available for a Fast Pass Plus ride reservation. Frontierland is also home to Country Bear Jamboree, an indoor audio animatronic show, and Tom Sawyer Island, a self-guided tour of secret caves and a frontier fort. The best eats in Frontierland are going to be at Pecos Bill's Tall Tale Inn, a quick service spot serving tacos, nachos, and burgers. After you've made your way through Frontierland, you're going to come into Liberty Square, which takes you back into colonial America. The attractions you're going to find here are the Liberty Square Riverboat, the Hall of Presidents, and one of my favorites, the Haunted Mansion. This is a dark ride that will take you through a haunted estate and allow you to catch a glimpse or two of dancing and hitchhiking ghosts. The Haunted Mansion attraction is also available for a Fast Pass Plus reservation. You'll find lots of good food in Liberty Square, with 2 all-you-care-to-eat table service restaurants, the Diamond Horseshoe and Liberty Tree Tavern, as well as a couple of my favorite quick service locations, Sleepy Hollow and the Columbia Harbor House. Leaving Liberty Square from the back will bring you around into Fantasyland, and leaving from the front will bring you back toward the castle. And that brings an end to our super quick tour of Frontierland and Liberty Square. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.